wonder who the next boss is then. Ice Cap struts into the view. You inform Ice Cap that it has a great hat. Duh, who doesn't know? Whoa! Who's this rude? You manage to tear your eyes away from Ice Cap's hat. It looks annoyed. Hello, my hat's up here. Oh, okay. Okay, you wanna compliment, but when I compliment you, then you start acting all pissy? Oh my god, demanding people. Oh my god, how many times do I have to keep complimenting this pretentious, big-headed, envious, too bad. Oh my god, what am I supposed to do here? Oh yeah, I just gotta keep complimenting you. Oh, he's one of those like tsunderes, bro. Nah, I get it. No, you're just like really. You're like one of those, like you, bro. What do you mean, like me? What are you talking about here? That's not me. How many times do I have to keep complimenting this dude? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Steel? Oh my god. It's got Slate 3. Torio's trying to lead me to the afterlife with Skate 3. How many times do I have to compliment your hat? Okay, I'm getting kind of pissed off now. I kind of want to slime this dude too. I'm gonna spare you for now, though. If I see you again, though, it's raps. At this point, it's more than it's more than I compliment you. See, demanding. All right, Toriel, you have a good night, bro. Thanks for giving me the pie, by the way. As I was saying about Undyne. Or Undine? Uh-oh. She's moving on to the afterlife. She's going back to the afterlife so she can go play Skate 3. She's moved on, bro. And you didn't eat with gratitude? I did! Actually, I think that's a rock. Oh. Hey, what's that in front of the rock? Oh my god! Is that a human? Oh my god! He found a human! Toriel 2026. Oh my god, dude. Y'all are cracking me up tonight, bro. This game has shown what kind of a person you are. Okay. It's been a little over an hour since I played this game. What kind of impression are you guys giving me now? What kind of person am I to y'all? What have y'all learned? Bittersweet? Am I a bittersweet person? Human, you shall not pass this area. I, the Great Papyrus, will stop you. I will then capture you. You will be delivered to the capital. Then, I'm not sure what's next. In any case, continue only if you dare. Okay, then I will continue. Don't sweat it. I'll keep an eye socket out for you. Kind but overly suspicious. Me? Like paranoid? Alright, let's joke to the Drake. You like the new profile pic? Did Mixwell say Jirachi? You have a Jirachi in your profile pic? Oh my god, I love Jirachi. You make a bad ice pun. Nice try. Oh my god, doing the directional keys with my right hand is kind of throwing me off. I think Jirachi is one of my favorite legendaries, if I'm gonna be truly honest. Psychic Steel type, bro. I love Jirachi in the in Mystery Dungeon. But that mission was so hard, if you guys ever played that. Snowdrake is assessing the crowd. Okay, okay, assess your crowd. Assess your crowd, Drake. My favorite ice cereals, Frosted. Oh, then I gotta laugh at it now. Kind but overly suspicious. Kind of like I'm paranoid, right? that kind of sums everything up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm similar. You too. Hey, you can never be too careful, or you can never be too safe, or what am I saying here? You can never be too careful around nowadays, bruh. A lot of people nowadays would just love to backstab you. Is that Swiper the Fox? I can only see moving things. If something was moving, for example, a human, I'll make sure it never moves again. Oh. Doggo blocks the way. Yeah, Snowdrake is hard to spare. Yeah, like you did tutorial, you backstabbed her. Okay, I just gotta not move, right? You know how I picture that? He's all swiping, and I just be like standing there because I'm like really short, just feeling the gust of wind from the blade. The Undertale fanbase isn't always the best. How do you explain that? Oh, and Jirachi's a mythical Pokemon. Oh shoot, I got that wrong then. Will it move this time? No, I will not move. Am I just gonna have to keep like checking this? Will it move this time? No, if we're gonna be patient with this dude here, I'm all about the patience, bro. I can just keep checking you and just doing nothing if that's what I gotta do. No act pet. I know. I'm not gonna pet it. No worries. I just gotta spam the check button, basically. No, use pet. You want me to use pet? You pet doggo. What? I've been pet. Oh. Oh, okay. We gotta keep petting you then. Oh my god, he's high off of being pet, bro. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. His name is Yellow, you can spare. I got you. Something pet me. Something that isn't moving. I'm gonna need some dog treats for this. Mmm. Mmm. We're good. We're good. How toxic can the fandom be? I'm curious. Cause somebody told me before that the fandom actually likes it when people play the new game or something. So I kind of just assume like they're kind of welcoming or something, right? Oh, I've played these games before. I know these ice puzzles anywhere. Ice. East. Snowden Town. And ice. Okay, we gotta go east then. Lesser dog appears. Alright, we gotta pay you! Oh! Oh, there you go. The name is yellow. People can argue with the correct way to play this game. Oh, I see. Like if you kill certain characters. Oh. So if the fandom finds out that I slimed Toriel, you think I'm gonna get witch hunted here? I feel like it's best for someone to do a neutral route first, then do pacifist. The route that I'm gonna take is my heart. Oh, he's so mad! My destiny will make my decisions for me. The human arrives! In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking. I'm sensing a joke here. If they find out you killed Toriel and no one else, they will kill you? Ooh. In that case, y'all make sure y'all shush up, okay? Don't ever tell nobody in this community that I slimed Toriel and nobody else, bruh. You got that? Save me here. I'm not trying to let that see the public, bro. No, don't clip this. Don't clip this, bro. Don't clip it. I'm not trying to get cancelled by the community. I barely just played this game, bro. I barely started. Okay, you can go ahead now. Okay, we got puzzles. We got puzzles. Oh! Oh, bro, that kind of scared me a little bit. What did you do? I think the human has to hold the orb. Oh, okay. Don't post on Reddit! Stop! No, not Reddit of all places, bro. What if they take down my TikToks? Okay, try now. He's trying to shock me. Incredible, you slippery snail. You solved this so easily. Too easily. I'm too smart for this. The next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother Sans. You will surely be confounded. I know I am. Ooh, what kind of puzzle you got me for this time? My brother seems like he's having fun, by the way. Did you see that weird outfit he's wearing? We made that a few weeks ago for a costume party. He hasn't worn anything else since. Keeps calling it his battle body. You know, I'm kind of growing an attachment for Papyrus. This guy seems to be the type of person that tries really hard despite having shortcomings. And I kind of relate to that. I'm kind of liking Papyrus, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He's trying to do his job. I don't understand why these aren't selling. It's the perfect weather for something cold. Oh, a customer! Ice cream. Nice cream. Cancel Chris gonna be trending tomorrow. No way. That's not gonna exist, bro. Should I buy the nice cream? Does that heal? It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. I should buy it, huh? 15. I hope that does something. The wrapper says something nice. Okay, HP. Okay, I'm gonna buy a couple of these then. I can never go wrong with some heals, especially since I kind of ate that god pie that y'all y'all were telling me to save up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm regretting my decision a little bit. I couldn't figure it out. The puzzle? Oh, what am I trying to do here? I'm supposed to get into the hole? Not. Whoa! Is it on a time limit? Aw, shoot, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I gotta play freaking soccer with this thing? And it melts. Frig! I'm not used to my directional keys being on my right side, bruh. Oh my god. No! Yes! Did y'all see that? Ooh! Clutch, call me Ronaldo! Christian Ronaldo! Oh, yes! Bro, that was easy. Even Lil couldn't beat it. Poor Lil. Human! I hope you're ready for it. Sans, where's the puzzle? It's right there, on the ground. Monster Kids word search. Okay. We're doing a word search here? Can you help solve me this puzzle? Okay, it's a word search? Oh my god, this game's really... This game's starting to test my brain here. I gave up on it? Prepare yourself? Wait, what? It's a word search. Fall. Ice-y. Not the word search? Well, what am I supposed to do here? Ice-y. Fall, monster, cigars, winter, skeleton, sig, spring, mermaid, GS, FCL. Loki, just give up? No, I'm not gonna give up. What is that even? What is this? What am I even supposed to do with this? GS. I refuse to let this puzzle take up the majority of the stream, bruh. Do it. Go for it. I see the words. Bro fell for the trap. Oh, is this not actually a puzzle? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. 22 Loki saved me like the rest of my stream, bro. If I was just staring at this, I kid you not, I actually would have had to freaking, I would end up staring at this paper for the rest of the stream, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta go to bed now. Don't make sure to send me this VOD. Oh man. Okay, I'll send you this VOD. Okay, I'll send it to you. You have a good night, Mixwell. I'll continue the stream or this game for 30 more minutes. I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Rumble is easily the hardest. Survival instincts of a book of 75 facts of snails. You're canonically dumber than the main character. What do you want me to do here, bro? No, I'm not. You, the moderator, you're telling me that? Bro, you have too much freedom on your hands here. Survival instincts of a Spare me, bro. Spare me. This is why I'm comfortable in my little box room, okay? Because I don't need to go do all this extra stuff and survive, okay? As long as I got my little cozy bed here, I'm good with life, bro. Which is harder, jumble or crossword? Oh shoot. What's jumble? I low-key didn't really read that properly. Can somebody like tell me what that is? I'm coding, bro. Ah, you copy and pasting. That's what you're doing. Okay. I need to make a guess here. I'm gonna say jumble is low-key harder. Crossword harder. Ah! I got it right. I got it right, bro. Look at that. We're good. We're good, bro. You know how far we are in the game here? We're really far in this game, and it's only been like a little over an hour. Okay, y'all play this game like 5 times in a row, and there's one person that plays it. You guys are watching this dude playing it blind, and y'all have so much expectations for me. Y'all judging too much. Please enjoy the spaghetti. Little do you know, this spaghetti is a trap designed to entice you. Did you clean the hut today? What hut? That you won't realize that you aren't progressing. Thoroughly japed again by the Great Papyrus. Survival instincts of a GS Febreber. Yeah, you're crazy. Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti. It fills you with determination. Your hut, bruh, you in Hawaii. I don't live in a hut! I don't live in a hut, bro! I live in a house. And my room is not exactly clean, but it's cleaner than when I left it. A roof made out of straw. What do you guys take Hawaii for, bruh? Y'all think we live in like teepees or something? All of the settings say spaghetti. It's a plate of frozen spaghetti. It's so cold, it's stuck to the table. Okay. Can you do a Hawaiian dance for us? Are you talking about hula? He's lying. He lives in a teepee. I don't live in a teepee. Okay? And that's not how you spell TP in the first place, okay? Oh, jeez. Who are these people? I'm out of here. I don't need that. That's too much problems in my life already. If I gotta shake hips and pretend that your jokes are funny, bro, y'all on your own. This is a very emotionally taxing game. That's the one thing I learned here. I'm all for being people's emotional support, but if I gotta do this for 60 hours, I don't know, bro. The frogs seem quieter. Oh. It's probably because, oh, I think it's because I shut my windows. Yeah, there'll be some nights though where they'll be like super loud though. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? Everyone knows Jerry makes attacks 2 seconds longer. Oh my gosh. I am not feeling this, bro. Okay. Oh, is this the... Okay, what do I gotta do here? Chris, do hula, please? In one of those... No! I refuse! I've done it before, though. In, like, elementary school. Dog marriage. Fine without a skirt. Hey, let me do an IRL stream, then maybe. Oh, I just gotta go. Oh, y'all gotta pay me a galaxy for that. Nah, Frank, I don't even know how to do hula. You know who actually does hula, though? My sister. Oh my god, what do I gotta do here? When my sister was in school, she joined a program and she did hula and stuff. I also have cousins that did Tahitian. Have you guys seen Tahitian dancers, bro? Those guys have like pretty crazy like hip movements. Like they can manipulate the way their hips move. It's beyond me, bro. I can't do it. What sports are popular in Hawaii? I'd say football. Football's probably the biggest one. But if we're talking like a lot of water sports are very popular in Hawaii too, like canoe racing, swimming probably. Fishing. Fishing's a freaking huge one. And surfing. Basically anything with water in it though. Which is kind of ironic because I'm not interested in any of that. You know what I mean? Have you fished ever? I have. I've done it multiple times in the past, but I've never been good at it. That's the thing. I did catch my first fish ever though, but it was like really small. Dog marriage. Okay, can someone help me out over here? What do I have to do over here? Yeah, just just tell me already. Up then right. It could have a good personality though. What are you getting at here, bruh? The fish having a personality. Oh, there's a switch behind these trees, right? There's a switch hidden in the snow. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh man, y'all are saving me. As stereotypical as it sounds, this game's music and writing inspired me to be a game developer. Ooh, really? So you've played this game before then, Alex? Oh. No! What's that smell? If you're a smell, identify yourself. Dog marriage. Just like the sign said. Ooh! What the hell was that? Here's that weird smell. He's bought a slime 2 at once. It makes me want to eliminate. Ooh! You want me to teach you directions on this fight? Let me figure it out. Dogamy. It's dog marriage. We can't see your screen. Oh, wait, what? Alright, did I click the wrong button? Oh my gosh. No, he's on Twitch. Okay, is that better now? The dog mirror scared you too hard? But low-key. Okay. Dog marriage. It's showing that they're kissing right now, so I feel like I might not want to interrupt something over here. So I'm thinking perhaps we have to have mercy. Oh! That was wrong. That was the wrong decision, bro. That was the wrong decision. That was the wrong decision. Holy crap. What if I roll them? You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Number 2, Nuzzle Champs 98. What? Was this not the right decision here? What do I gotta do here? Okay, it seems like we have not made the right decision. What if I sniff you? Want directions? Nah. What kind of school project did you do? Ooh! I did it! I did it! I feel like I low-key did it, bro. Hold on, I just gotta... They think I'm a puppy now, so I can spare them. No! Oh my god. No, for both of them. Okay. Oh my god. I need a heal, bro. I need a heal. Where's that nice stream? What the frick? Ooh. Oh shoot, I think I'm dead here. Oh my god, wait, I cannot die, I don't want to die. Okay. Oh my god, I'm eating everything up. I hate using the directional keys on my left hand, bro. This is so freaking... Oh my god. Perfect. Oh, frick! They're getting their revenge for killing Toriel. Oh, no. Dude. This is... Oh my god, what do I do? Take my wife's fleas. Don't actually. Every dog loves to play fight. Oh wait. I think at this point, the names are yellow. Where do you see that? Oh. I'm not gonna lie to you, that kind of scared me. That freaking scared me, bro. I thought I would have had to restart. Oh my god, they kind of clutched that. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna look for the next save and then I'm gonna end it from there. Turn every X into a 0, then press the switch. Eat the goat? Thanks, Lil. Thank you. How did you avoid my trap? And more importantly, is there any left for me? Ooh. Are you playing on PC or console? I'm playing on PC. As you can see, somebody who's had a PC for the first time using a keyboard, bro. I am not a natural at this, I'll tell you. I have to be honest with him. You resisted the flavor of my home-cooked pasta just so you could share it with me? I think I made the right decision here. You ate it just like Toriel's life, bruh. I think I made it here, bro. Okay. Pouts while looking away. You ate it just like Toriel's life. Hey, Toriel had it coming, bruh. She low-key had it coming. If she was just a little bit more honest with why I wanted to go home, I would have trusted her more. You were taking a long time to arrive, so I decided to improve this puzzle by arranging the snow to look more like my face. Unfortunately, the snow froze to the ground. Now the solution is different, and as usual, my lazy brother is nowhere around. I suppose what I am saying is, worry not, human. I, the Great Papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try the puzzle yourself. I'll try not to give away the answer. Alright. Turn every X into an O, then press the switch. Oh, I see. Ah, puzzles like these are pretty, never mind. Shoot! What did it say? Into an O. Okay, wait. Okay. As I was saying... Watch this. Boom, 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 boom. Simple. Easy. You solved it, and you did it all without my help. I actually get a lot of these puzzles in like Pokemon, especially like the ice ones. Nice. Hey, it's the human. You're gonna love this puzzle. How many puzzles do I gotta do this? First playthrough? Yes, this is my first playthrough. Once I throw the switch, they will begin to change color. Each color has a different function. Ride tiles are impassable. You cannot walk on them. Yellow tiles are electric. They will electrocute you. Green tiles are alarm tiles. If you step on them, you will have a fight. Oh! Blue tiles are water tiles. Swim through if you like, but if you smell like oranges, the piranhas will bite you. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, all these puzzles are turning my brain into mush, bro. You will slide to the next tile. However, the slippery slope smells like lemons, which piranhas do not like. Purple and blue. This is so much to remember. They don't do anything. Step on them all you like. How was that? Okay. I feel like I can still remember this a little bit, though. I understand. It's random! Shoot, okay. The orange ones make me smell like oranges, right? Oh! Oh my gosh, you guys threw me off here, bruh. I thought I was gonna have to... Oh my god, I actually believed y'all. I thought I was gonna have to study this whole thing, bro. You got lucky? Did I actually get lucky? Oh my gosh, bro. This whole entire time, I was like, frick. I gotta... Scared me for nothing. Jeez. But you know what? I'm glad. Oh! And we've reached a checkpoint here, everybody. We've made it really far into this game. How did you get past? I couldn't do it. Okay, now I know you guys are just lying to me now at this point. You guys are gaslighting me to think that I'm just like getting lucky or that this game is actually super hard or whatever, but I'm seeing through all your lies, bro. I'm not believing in any of y'all. Just like how I will only believe in myself when I play this game. But we've reached a pretty good checkpoint here. This game's really fun. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy you guys told me to play Undertale. I'm actually really excited to play it again tomorrow. I just don't have... But I think this is gonna be it for tonight. Tomorrow, we might be down to play it again, bro. Maybe. Y'all said that this game isn't really all that long, right? Hollow Knight next? I can get Hollow Knight. We can play maybe FNAF 4 or Undertale again tomorrow. I'm in the mood for those two games, any of those if y'all are down. But yeah. After Undertale? Deltarune after Undertale. Is Deltarune another game? Chris, talk to the dog first. What's Deltarune? This dog is staring blankly into the snow, waiting for it to turn into art. This dog is staring blankly into the snow. I'm talking to the dog, but nothing. Same developer. Oh, okay. This dog? That dog considers itself an artist, but doesn't ever know what to create. It probably doesn't help that its brain is the size of a piece of kibble. Same developer that made Undertale. It'll be fun. Is it like similar? Is it similar to Undertale? Deltarune? It's a game made by the same developer. Oh, I see. So it's just like different stories. Well, what's the difference between them? Yes, I see. Different protagonist. Toriel is a teacher. I see. I don't know what that dog is trying to do, or whatever. Oh wait, I gotta hold escape. But that is it for tonight, everyone. I want to thank y'all for joining me tonight. He considers Undertale a test run on game development, so Deltarune is more advanced. Oh, So it gets complicated here then. Okay. But yeah, I'll be on again tomorrow. I want to thank everybody for joining me tonight. I'm really happy that y'all suggested for me to play this game. I want to play some more. So I'll be on again tomorrow night. All right.